Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a simple beam design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete simple beam using working stress method with span of 24 feet, assumed width of 10 inches, and a balanced depth. The beam carries a uniform load of 1,300 pounds per foot. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 5,000 psi, main bars 3/4-inch diameter bar, grade 60, stirrup bars 3/8-inch diameter bar, grade 33. The beam carries a uniform load of 1,300 pounds per foot and assume a self-weight of 209 pounds per foot for a total load of 1,509 pounds per foot. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of beam B7, width of beam 10 inches, length of beam 24 feet, main bars 3/4-inch diameter bar at grade 60, stirrup bars 3/8-inch diameter bar at grade 33, strength of concrete 5,000 psi, and total load is 1,509 pounds per foot. Given Fc prime equals 5,000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, the balance section properties are as follows: N equals 7.195, K equals 0.403, J equals 0.866, R equals 393. Given W equals 1,509 pounds per foot and L equals 24 feet, the moment is 1,043,020.8 inch-pounds. The effective depth is 16.29 inches, and total depth is 20 inches. Given M equals 1,043,020.8, Fs equals 24,000, J equals 0.866, and D equals 17.5, the area of steel is 2.87 square inches. The number of tension bars for 3/4-inch diameter is 7, and the number of compression bars is 2. The shear force is 18,108 pounds, and shear stress is 103.47 psi, greater than 77.78 psi. The total bar circumference is 16.52 for a bound stress of 72.33 psi, less than 452.55 psi. The design shear stress is 103 psi, and concrete capacity is 78 psi. Additional stress capacity from steel is 25 psi. Maximum spacing is 8 inches. For stirrup design, the steel region is 35 inches, web stress is 25 psi, and initial spacing at 15.84 inches. The stirrup spacing are as follows: 1 at 2 inches, 1 at 4 inches, 1 at 6 inches, rest at 8 inches. For 3/4-inch diameter main bars, use half-inch diameter stiffener bars. Design results are as follows: Fc prime equals 5,000 psi, Fs equals 24,000 psi, beam size is 10 inches by 20 inches by 24 feet, main bars of grade 60, at support, top bars 7 pieces 3/4-inch diameter bar, stiffener bars 2 pieces half-inch diameter bar, bottom bars 2 pieces 3/4-inch diameter bar. At center, top bars 2 pieces 3/4-inch diameter bar, stiffener bars 2 pieces half-inch diameter bar, bottom bars 7 pieces 3/4-inch diameter bar. Stirrups at grade 33, 3/8-inch diameter bar spacing, 1 at 2 inches, 1 at 4 inches, 1 at 6 inches, rest at 8 inches. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.